Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is time to take down Christmas, and I also got rid of a lot of my holiday decor, so stay tuned for all your cleaning and decluttering motivation. All right, I need to wrap my turkeys up so they don't get broken, so I'm probably gonna leave the lid off of this until I wrap those turkeys up. All right, I have two of these and then one big one, and every year I think I'm gonna use it and I never do. It's really cute, but just never goes with my themes. So this is gonna be a giveaway box, and this is gonna be a giveaway box. I need to wrap these so they don't break, but they are gonna go in the giveaway pile. I'm trying to decide on the black ornaments because I used black ornaments one year. I don't know if I will ever again. I kind of like the way they look, but a lot of times they blend in with the tree. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of any glass ornaments such as these because I'm just not in a stage of life where I'm using glass ornaments. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring those to Goodwill so that someone else who can utilize those can do so rather than sitting in my storage for the next 10 years. Alright, so this is all giveaway. This is for Aaron to go through and tell me if all these lights are good. That's a giveaway bag. And then this is some overflow Christmas stuff that I'll put in the Christmas thing when I come down. That's all the fall stuff I'm keeping. I love these deer, but the antlers and the legs keep breaking. So I think I'm going to maybe Goodwill these. Red container with a little green on here that I got a previous year on discount, and then I got two more this year when I was at the grocery store. I just happened to see them and I was so excited because you guys, if you didn't know, they will put these bins on clearance just because they are red after Christmas or green or orange after Halloween or Thanksgiving, and they are, I mean, they're just colored buckets. There's nothing wrong with them, but they'll go 50 to 75% off. So you can get a really great deal on plastic buckets after holidays. So that's just a tip for you guys if you've never noticed that before. I just noticed that the last couple of years, and so now I try to keep an eye out for them after the holidays because I'm trying to collect these plastic bins instead of cardboard boxes because they will last much longer, you know, as long as you don't overpack them. They won't bust as easily or anything like that. So I was just going through and trying to just get a system set up for how I wanted to get these all organized. That one did have a ton of glitter in it, so I ended up taking it and washing it out in the bathtub and then drying it out and then having it upside down. So that's why it's upside down back there. This box and bag were both going to Goodwill, so I was kind of just going through and trying to figure out how I wanted to organize everything. I ended up going down to the basement to finish it up just to see what all needs to go in the buckets, and spoiler alert, you guys will see, but I was able to fit everything in these 3 buckets except for a couple of things, so I was really super happy with that.
27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love.
So instead of trying to make a themed tree this year, I kind of just put a little bit of everything on it. And you guys, actually, this is my favorite tree I have ever had. And so I think I'm going to start doing that from now on. So when I went to organize these, put all these ornaments up, instead of organizing them by color like I normally would do, I actually just threw them all into two categories. One category was just round ornaments, and then the others were just any other kind of ornaments, like these little peace on earth snowflakes, and any of the girls' special ornaments went into a separate bag, and then I put all of them in one plastic bin. They also had these little advent calendar pop things. You'll see me just throwing those on the ground because I'm not saving those for next year. I'm just gonna let the girls play with them like they're toys and then toss them at the end of this Christmas season, which, I mean, season's over, but I'll let them play with them until I get sick of seeing them on the floor, and then I'll toss them. That's really the truth of it. So I think I'm definitely going to do my tree probably the same way next year. I just was setting aside the little special ornaments they had that were glass. We have started a tradition where we let our girls pick out one special ornament every single year, and some of them are glass, some of them are not. So I just wanted to make certain that I wrapped up the ones that were ceramic, I guess, not necessarily glass, but whatever you want to call it, same difference, right? So then I went here, and as you guys can see, this is how I started to organize them by just the round ornaments, and then all the special shapes went into a bag on the other side.
Just start the music, kill the silence. Pour a drink and let my mind rest. 'Cause I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah.
All right, so all this is Goodwill. That bottom box is empty, and that's Goodwill. So it's a bunch of extra ornaments and stuff that we don't need. I decided to go ahead and throw out those plates. And yeah, it feels so good getting rid of this stuff. If you guys are enjoying this cleaning motivation, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out a lot. Subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram if you're not. I don't post a whole lot on there right now, but in the future, I do plan to implement that more. I have a lot going on, but I will be trying to do more day-to-day stuff on Instagram as Ties goes on. So if you want to follow me over there, I will remind you guys every video, and hopefully eventually I'll have a little better, more consistent content over there. But like I said, I am planning on having that be a little bit more day-to-day things that don't necessarily make it into my videos.
So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Okay, I decided to go ahead and gift these. I'm going to package them up nicer than that and gift them to Goodwill. I'm going to double check that my husband doesn't want to keep these, but I think I'm going to go ahead and give them to Goodwill because, like I said, they keep breaking. He does need to still check those lights to see which ones we want to keep. So that is all. The green lid is all of my fall stuff. This is like pretty much all of my Christmas decor. Now I'm going to go through the closet and make sure there's none hiding in the storage area. But this is all the stuff I had pulled out for both of the seasons, Thanksgiving, fall time, and then Christmas. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with these signs that don't fit in this box and the actual manger for the nativity scene. Beyond that, I am done with Christmas. I'm super excited. I do have this stuff here that we didn't use this year, but I am keeping that, of course, because that is still, it's what's in there. What's on the box is what's in there, the wreaths and the stuff like that. Little trees. I do need to still put the tree in the box, but I'm going to get my husband to help me tonight so that I do not damage my tree when I'm putting it away. It's kind of better as a two-person job, so I'm going to bring that upstairs so when he gets home, he can help me do that. Like I said, put that with the Goodwill stuff. He needs to go through that, and then we are done. I'm super excited to have all this done. It's been on my mind for quite a while. I've been wanting to get all of this taken care of. I just need to make a big drop off to Goodwill, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got some cleaning motivation for your day and it just encouraged you in some way, and that you enjoyed watching me undecorate and just take down Christmas and declutter holiday decor, Christmas decor, and all of that. It feels so much better having it done. I'm so glad that you were here today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and I'll catch y'all next week. Bye.
'Cause I just wanna see the light.